Welcome back to my channel. So today this is the look that we'll be doing. So it's quarantine. My hubby and I haven't been able to go anywhere. So we're doing a little date night inside the house and I decided to do this look. So if you guys are interested, please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and keep watching. So the first eyeshadow that I'm going in today with is Brownscript, and this is the ABH eyeshadow. I'm going to use this as my transition shade today. So next I'm going to go in with Blazing from ABH. Next I'm going to go in my BH Cosmetics Zodiac palette. I had this for a while and I think I only used it twice, but all the colors are gorgeous. So the palette looks like this. Each one of the zodiac signs have a shimmery eyeshadow, and then it has a corresponding matte eyeshadow in the centerpiece, and then in the middle there's just this white shimmer base. Very pigmented. So I'm gonna do Scorpio, which is like it's like a brown red, like a earthy red. So I'm just going with that. So now I'm gonna go in with the shimmery eyeshadow for Scorpio. It's the same color, like a brownish red, just with shimmer. So alright, so now I'm gonna go back in with that Scorpio's matte color again. So I feel like I need more of a smooth transition between the shimmer and the outer darkness. So I'm gonna go in with Pisces, the matte Pisces, which is a brown color. So now I'm going in with my e.l.f. cream eyeliner. I'm using an angle brush. And we're just gonna do a wing liner. Alright, so just gonna add some mascara. And then we're gonna go into our lashes. So now I'm gonna jump right into the foundation. So for primer today, I'm going in with the Milk Hydra Primer. And this is a hydrating primer, but for some reason, it doesn't bother me with my oily skin. So and I already moisturized my face and everything, so I'm just using a little bit. Make sure I rub it in real good. So usually whenever I'm using that primer, I go in with the Becca Evermatte primer, and this is just to give me extra barrier between my skin and the foundation, as well as blurring out my pores and controlling the oils even more. So for foundation today, I'm going in with the Estee Lauder Double Wear, and this one is in 5W1 Bronze. So to balance this out, I'm gonna go in with another foundation, which is Juvia's Place. I'm gonna use Burkinia, and Burkinia is actually dark for me, but I'm just gonna go in to balance out the olive that's in this foundation. So for today concealer, we're going to use Tarte Shape Tape in the color Tan. This concealer dries quickly. For concealer today, we're using Black Opal Suede Mocha. So I'm going to go back in for a little bit more brightness with my Fenty Beauty 340. So a little bit more brightness. So now we're going with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Powder. And this is a necessity if you're an oily person like me. And now I'm setting my eyes. So for bronzer today, I'm using Ruby Kisses mineralized powder in honey brown, and I actually got this from my beauty supply store. Alright, so now I'm going in with dark Max Mineralized Skin Finish. I'm using this as my all over powder today. So I'm going back in with the first blending brush. Nothing's on it, but I want to bring this eyeshadow just a little bit more up towards my brows. So now I'm going in with my ABH Dip Brow Pomade just to fix these eyebrows. So everything I use will be in the description box below. Just make sure you hit that thumbs up and that subscribe red bright button on your way down there, so we can be a family. Alright, so for blush, I'm going to go in with Max Blunt. So I'm going back in with the ABH Eyeshadow Blazing. Next, I'm going with Embark. So I want to be a little extra today, so I'm going to go back in with my Zodiac palette. I'm going to touch the centerpiece, the white shimmer, from my inner tear duct. So I'm going in with Cyber World from MAC. Next, I'm going with Max Media. So I'm going with Maybelline Master Chrome. This one is in Molted Gold 100. So this is the final look. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to comment and like, and I'll see you in another video.